Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the very final part of this series. This is travel home day for us. It's 10 a.m. It's a scorcher of a day. It's beautiful. We've just been packing. Our flight has been delayed by 2 hours, so we've just been messing around organising taxis and buses. So the big part of our group are still getting a bus home, but they are, not home, a bus to the airport, but they are now getting the bus at 3:15 instead of 1:15. So they have all elected to stay in the resort over at All Star, and they're just going to have a lovely pool day and hang out and get some takeout and just have a nice time. And Steve and I are going to meet them at the airport later. So Poppy and George are just enjoying the sun for one last time. Steve and I are just going to do some quick shopping downstairs. There's a really nice bakery down there, so I'll take you down there in a sec. And then we're going to pop over to Disney Springs. I want to get some stuff from Pandora, just have a look around there. And then we'll come back here and Uber over to the airport. So let's have another beautiful day until 4 p.m. in Disney World.
This is the view when we leave our room, and it's overlooking the shopping area and the monorail in the Contemporary. Heading down to level 4 now, the main shops and the restaurant area, and we are going to visit BVG, which is mostly clothing, souvenirs, and a little bakery.
Going to grab some socks. They are $20 for 2 pairs, but they're so comfy and they last ages. $25 for a swimsuit there? Actually, that's not bad, is it? It's obviously more expensive than a high street store, but $25 for a branded swimsuit's not bad. So because we're in a more upmarket resort, there's more upmarket menswear in here as well. A little bit of Polo Ralph Lauren there.
Turns out the Contemporary Resort has its own unique Pandora charm, so I did treat myself.
Hand gel is essential in the parks, and these are only $10, and you've got the little 99-cent refillable bottles.
So one of the things I love about the Contemporary is it has this little mini bakery section in this particular shop, which means on my final day or my final morning, I can go and grab any cookies or treats that I want to get for myself or take home as presents for other people, and I can get them fresh, and then I can just take them up to my room, pack them up, and then get them straight to the airport instead of buying them in the park the day before. All packed up and ready to head to the airport now, so instead we are going to jump over on a bus to Disney Springs to Chef Art Smith's homecoming for a lovely brunch together.
Trying something new today. Hopefully we can get a seat.
Chef Art Smith's was a massive success. I had deviled eggs, Steve had a chicken burger with French fries, and then we had a side of fries as well. The staff could not have been lovelier. The food is amazing, huge portions. When you order the eggs, you get 6. So yeah, absolutely try it if you get the chance. Friend recommend, 10 out of 10.
So I think we're going to pop into Giddeons, because for the first time I've ever seen it, there isn't a massive queue. It's only a few people. So let's go inside.
Onward for a little bit of general shopping and souvenirs now. So I always love stopping by Savannah Bee, and I'm signed up for their email alerts as well, so you get discounts. Just be sure if you buy anything honey-based in the US that you are allowed to take it back home with you, because some countries do not like you importing honey or honey-based products. After that, we are going to skip over to Joffreys and grab some lovely fresh coffee.
So these are the ones you can order to your room. So right here you've got 12 bags and they're $16.99, but you can get them for free if you're staying on property. You just keep asking for more from Ask Disney.
Spot of cake shopping for Steve now at Erin McKenna's in Disney Springs. It is vegan, gluten-free. Basically, if you've got an allergy but you still want to put cake in your face, you need to come here. It's amazing. One of the final stops of the day now is going to be Pandora, the jewellery shop, not the ride or the attraction. I need to buy a new bracelet because I've pretty much filled up the one that I started a few years ago, so I need to thin it out and get a second one, and also want to get a birthday present charm for myself. I say for myself, Mr. Harrison will be paying.
Alright, successfully completed. I now have a new bracelet to start. The first one was from 2023, so hopefully this one will last until 2027. We're going to go into World of Disney now, and for anyone who's interested, I got a 10% discount on my Pandora, so it was about £58 for today. So thank you to Stephen for his investment. Let's go to World of Disney. I want to see if I can get the red t-shirt that I've been looking for all week that I found, but not in my size. So let's see if we get a winner today. Shopping is now successfully completed. We've been to Sephora's, we've been to Erin's Bakery, we've been to Lego, we've been to Joffreys, we've been to Giddeons, we've been to Pandora, we've been to loads of places. So we are going to head back to the Contemporary now to get our stuff, and then we're going to need to get an Uber and go to the airport. The flight is even later now, but we don't have a choice, unfortunately. The big part of our group does need to get the bus when they need to get the bus. So let's head back to the airport. We've made it, we're at the airport, we're waiting now. I think our flight's going to be 4 hours late. Hopefully we're taking off about 8:30. So we're all gathered again now, we've just had something to eat and we're going to head up to the lounge. So we will see you upstairs in the lounge.
So instead of going into the lounge as it was full, we all decided to hang around pre-security, get something to eat in the food court, and have a game of how many toys can we pile on Teacher Joe.
Completely full flight is absolutely heaving. I am sitting on my own. Some of our kids were as well, but Carla's managed to rearrange things a little bit for them. I'm going to get run over. So we are just getting ready to board now. So I will probably see when we're back in London, as I won't be able to vlog on the plane when I'm sitting with strangers. But me and Poppy will be having a window seat, so I will try and get some of the table. And then I will see you back at Heathrow. We're back.
It's midday, we're 4 hours later than we thought we would be, but everyone landed in one piece. We got all of our cases, everyone got home safely. So thank you so very much for watching this series. Poppy and I will be back in September for the Halloween party and again in November for the Christmas party. Our next trip we will be staying back at the Contemporary but in Bay Lake Tower again like we did last year, and we're there for 7 nights. So please like and subscribe, follow us, follow Poppy on Instagram to see all of her outfits and ears and keep up with her travels and trips. And we will see you in the next vlog. Have a magical day.